Hello football lover, back to Eleven News. As usual, we will provide information about world of football, especially for you. Our first news come from English Premier League. There are three matches from the Big Six team, namely Tottenham, Chelsea, and Liverpool, which competed in the Carabao Cup quarter final. With the result is Tottenham won 2-1 over West Ham, Chelsea won 2-0 over Brentford, and Liverpool won against Leicester City on penalties.
Tottenham hosts the West Ham in the quarter final of the Carabao Cup 2021, playing at Tottenham Hotspur Stadium on Thursday morning. The Lily-Whites won with a narrow score of 2-1. Tottenham opened the scoring in the 29th minute through Stephen Bergwijn goal, but the visitor equalized through Jarrod Bowen in the 20th minute. 3 minutes later, Tottenham was ahead again. Lucas Moura scored and changed the score to 2-1, which remained until the game was over. Thanks to this result, Tottenham has the right to advance to the semi-final of the Carabao Cup this season. Chelsea visit Brentford in the quarter-final of the Carabao Cup 2021, playing at the Brentford Community Stadium on Thursday morning. The Blues won 2-0. Since the first half began, both teams played fast tempo. Brentford, who played in the front of his quarter, became the team that put more pressure compared to Chelsea. But until the first half, after the score held on for both teams, Chelsea could only open the scoring in the 81 minute. Pontus Jansson scored an own goal when he was about to sweep Reece James. Crossed the score changed to 1-0 for Chelsea. Chelsea got a penalty in 86 minutes. Christian Pulisic was brought down in the penalty box by Brentford goalkeeper Alvaro Fernandes. Jorginho, who became the executor, managed to complete his task which made Chelsea 2-0 up against host Brentford. Chelsea winning score over Brentford remained so that the Blues had the right to advance to the semi-final English League Cup or Carabao Cup 2021. Liverpool faced Leicester City in the quarter-final of the Carabao Cup 2021, playing at the Anfield Stadium on Thursday morning. The Reds won on penalties. Leicester City opened the scoring through James Vardy's quick goal in the 9th minute. 4 minutes later, Vardy managed to score his second goal in the 19th minutes. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain managed to reduce the lead to 2-1, but James Maddison in the 3-3 minutes closed the first half with a score of 3-1. In the second half, Liverpool's second goal was created through Diogo Jota in the 98th minute. In the 90th minute, +5, Takumi Minamino managed to change the score to 3-3, and the match lied to be complete with a penalty shootout. In the penalty shootout, Liverpool won with a final score of 5-4. With this result, the Reds had to the right to qualify for the Carabao Cup semi-final this season.
Barcelona failed win against Sevilla. Barcelona coach Xavi admitted that he couldn't sleep. Barcelona versus Sevilla in the match week 4 of the Spanish League at the Sanchez Pizjuan Stadium ended in a draw.
Barcelona controlled the game with 15% possession of the ball. In the term of chance, Barcelona had 23 chances with 7 shots on goal. Meanwhile, the equalizer goal for Barcelona was scored by Ronald Araujo. In 45 minutes of the match, Sevilla had to play with 10 men after Jules Koundé got a red card in 64 minutes. Xavi also admitted that he had trouble sleeping because Barcelona failed to win over Sevilla. We lost 2 points. We deserve to win. Even we still playing 7 against 7. I saw a Barca with personality. This is what I want, and this team continues to grow. We were good at pressing and moving the ball. we can complete, well even draw is only draw. Barca like this are getting closer to what we want, playing protagonist and being brave. We are on the right track, but I will have a hard time sleeping because we have to win. Barcelona was left behind by Papu Gomez goal in the 32 minute, then replied through Ronald Araujo goal in the 45 minute. Despite the superior number of players signed the 64 minute, the final score remained 1-1 after the match. Xavi Hernandez immediately comment on the draw that was achieved by Barca. Coach the Spaniard looked regretful and even thinks that Barca should be able to bring home the full point. The draw against Sevilla is clearly a disadvantage for Barcelona because they are still stuck in second place in the standing and 15 points adrift of eternal rival Real Madrid, who occupied the top position.
Turning to the country, the Indonesia national team was less aggressive when facing Singapore in the first leg of 2020 AFF Suzuki Cup semifinal. This is the response from the Indonesia national team coach Shin Taeyong.
The coach of the Indonesian national team comment on the performance of his player against Singapore. In the first leg of 2020 AFF Cup semifinals, the players were just to be less aggressive until they finally failed to win over Singapore. Shin Taeyong didn't care about this because he didn't want to make a fuss about it. The match at the National Stadium on Wednesday 12 December at night, the Indonesian national team did look less aggressive in capturing the ball. The players did not play calmly and preferred to wait for the opponent to make a mistake. Unlike Singapore, which was very aggressive to put pressure on the Garuda troops. Yellow card by the referee even so, Shin Taeyong didn't have a problem at all with his team style, which was not too harsh. According to him, the players were training to play more aggressively without injuring the opponent. It didn't matter at all. When I first came to Indonesia, the players didn't play hard. However, until now the players continue to be trained to play harder, but we don't teach to injure others. Everyone has a different view, but right now I have no problem with that, said Shin Taeyong in a press conference after match. The match ended in a 1-1 draw with Indonesian goal scored by Witan Sulaiman in the 28th minute and the return goal scored by Ihsan Fandi in the 70th minute. The second leg will be played on Saturday, 25 December 2021 at the Singapore National Stadium.
That's information about the world of special football from 11 News. For those of you who don't want miss the latest and greatest news about world of football, we will be there every Thursday morning. See you next week.